Sabi ni Ed Ryan dito, noon pa naman ito, pansinin nyo, ibang content, si laging maiba. Well, thank you Ed Ryan Lacerna for giving that comment. For me, that's a compliment. Kasi hindi ako katulad ng iba na porket sinabi ng grupo nila susundin na. I'm not a sheeple. Okay? Tapos, the same as the other criticisms, like, ginagaya mo ba si Atty. Libayan? Well, here's the thing about that. The reason why sa tingin nyo, ginagaya ko si Atty. Libayan is because the lesson that he taught other people or yung community niya is ringing bells to everyone. Katunog. 'Di ba? Katunog. Yung tungkol sa MLM, diniscuss niya na yan. Marvin Pabis, 'di ba? And yung mga topics na yun, it can withstood time, 'di ba? Kaya kahit last year pa yon or last year pa yan, applicable pa rin yan sa panahon ngayon kasi nga totoo. Truth can withstand the test of time. 'Di ba? And kahit magpasalin-salin yang totoo na yan, magiging totoo pa rin yan kahit sino ang magsabi niyan. That's the beauty about truth. Nung gabi nung party, hindi pa ako uminom noon, nakaisang konti pa lang inainom ko, isang shot pa lang. Kukwentuhan kami ni Atty. Sabi ko, ang hirap ng hirap ng ginagawa mo. Yung mga tinatopic mo na bagay, sobrang dami. And to make it more effective, it needs to be reiterated or ulitin sa ibang pagkakataon para tumatak sa isip ng mga tao yung lesson. It's an uphill battle kasi nga yung mga tinuturo doon sa community is sobrang dami na nahihirapan mag-catch up yung regular Filipino na target nung learnings na yun. And naiintindihan ko naman because a lot, 90+% ang functionally illiterate na mga Pilipino. And siguro doon na ako pumapasok. I try my best to transform his teachings into something more digestible ng mga mas common or pangmasang Pilipino. Ulitin ko siya in a way na titimo or tatama ito doon sa current audience or other audience na hindi maabot ng teachings doon sa Batas Natin community or sa C4GG. Kaya every time na I'm going to discuss and it resembles like Libayan or Kayo, then most likely that learning came from them. And like any truth, it can withstand time. Kahit pagpasa-pasahin mo yan, parang science yan. It will eventually become truth. Now, with that said, hindi ko rin naman sinasabi na hindi kami pwedeng maging mali. Because I've been wrong. Walang problema sa pagiging mali. Walang problema sa pag-admit that you do not know. Walang problema masagad yung katalinuhan. Because as humans, we are all limited. We are limited in what we know, in our capabilities. That's why we need other people's expertise on others subject or other subjects of life. Hindi lang naman politika ang meron. Hindi lang politika ang lente na pwede mong pagtignan sa buhay. And just like, well, let's say if Kayo or Atty. Libayan taught E is equals to MC squared, hindi niya ginagaya si Einstein. Tinuturo nung dalawa yung tamang or totoong tinuro ni Einstein. 'Di ba? And if ever in the future it can be proven wrong, I'm sure the people who have a mindset of being intellectual honest, have the capacity to admit ay oo nga. May point ka. Tama ka. Diba? And if magiging ganon, karamihan ng Pilipino, to admit what they do not know, to admit yung kahinaan nila, bibilis yung progress. Because now, they are going to do something about the things na mahina sila or they lack. They are now acting upon what is real, what is the truth, instead of creating solutions from a fantasy na create nila sa utak nila, na kung saan sila lang ang may alam, sila lang ang magaling, at sila lang ang pwedeng maging tama. Gets? Well, this is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.